Hi there, my name's Kate Mosinski, and I'm the Cleveland-based staff attorney for the Equality Ohio Legal Clinic. Many of us have been paying more attention than usual to our physical health over these past few weeks, and that's really important. However, while we're at home, we also have the opportunity to do a quick checkup on our legal health and make sure that we're as healthy legally as we're trying to be physically. As a result, our staff, our attorneys, is putting together a series of videos to give you a sense of legal health checkups. So I'm going to be presenting the first one of those today. I'm going to teach you how to check online to see if your driver's license is in good standing, and if it's not and it has been suspended, how to go about finding out what your reinstatement requirements are. Before we get started today, I just wanted to let you know that by watching this video, it doesn't make me your attorney, and that your clicking on viewing this video doesn't form an attorney-client relationship between the two of us. With that being said, if you are in need of legal assistance, that's why we're here. You can go online and fill out a client intake at www.equalityohio.org/intake. Or you can also give us a phone call, and that phone number is 1-855-LGBT-LAW. Again, 1-855-LGBT-LAW. So let's talk a little bit about how to locate the status of your driver's license online. So a lot of folks don't know that if you are behind on child support payments, or if you have unpaid court costs for various court cases, that can result in a suspension of your driver's license and invalidating your ability to drive. So one of the easiest ways to check in and see if there are any warrant blocks or court blocks on your driver's license is to go online to the Ohio BMV website. There's actually a specific page for online services where you can locate all of this information yourself. The URL for that page, which will be in the information below this video, is services.d as in Don, P as in Paul, S as in Sam, .ohio.gov/BMV online services. services.dps.ohio.gov/BMV online services. When you reach that page, you'll see several bits of information that you can either provide to the BMV or information that you can access yourself. So if you look in the boxes that appear on that page, there's one that says reinstatement fees. If your license has been suspended, you can click here and enter in your information to either pay reinstatement fees if you need to pay these fees, or to view what your reinstatement requirements might be. You can also pull up your BMV driving record for the past 2 years. It's an unofficial record, but it still is generally fairly accurate for the past 2 years on this site as well. You will need some additional information in order to look up your information on this site. So you can either present your license number, your state ID number, your date of birth, and then information on your last name and social security number. Or if you don't have your driver's license, or you don't know what your driver's license or state ID number might be, then you can use your full name, your date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number in order to access this information. Once you type in that information, you should be able to locate yourself in the system and see if there are any warrant blocks in your license, and where those warrant blocks are originating from, as well as what fees would need to be paid in order to clear things up. If you have questions about anything that's coming up on your driver's license, or you need some assistance understanding the information that you access, you can feel free to contact our clinic. And I highly recommend that if you have any questions about the material that comes up on your driver's license suspension, that you speak to an attorney about the best way to go about resolving some of those issues. Stay tuned for future videos for legal checkups to check in on your legal health. And until next time, hope to see you soon. Bye.